Butter.
Warning, this does not set a good example. Please don't try this at home.
Butter.
Daddy, do it to me! Daddy, do it to me!